Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Let us learn about a wonderful widget which will help you in learning Quranic vocabulary. A widget is something that displays information, brief information quickly, something like this weather. So let us go to Play Store, okay, and type Quran phrases. Type Quran phrases, okay. Type the word Quran phrases, okay, and search for it. Then you will inshallah get this one, which is the widget Quran phrases. And because it is installed, so I will just open it, and then you will get this screen. So it says Salam, let us build our Quran vocabulary. And then there are two arrows which are on the right and left. So if you touch these arrows, you will see the next phrase in the list, or you can go back. Now you will see something like, have you learned this phrase below that, below the blue box? And if you say yes, then it will not show in the widget screen. If you say no, it will be showing it. And if you touch on the list, then you will see the words that are pending. And you can here also say yes I know, yes I know, yes I know, then it will not be shown. If you say if you go to the next tab on the top, pending and learned, so you will see the words that you have clicked as yes I know. And if you want to take them back to the list of not well-known words, then you say show again, show again, it will go back to the pending list. Okay, now by the way, here sometimes you may have to slide right and left, for example Maliki Yawmiddin, to see the complete phrase. Now I go back and I see this one. So let us go to phrase display settings, which is there at the bottom. Here, if you touch on this 10 minutes, it says phrase should change every 10 minutes, 1 hour, 1 day. So I take 10 minutes, and then translation language, I selected English. Then I touch on course wise, then it says phrase should be displayed course wise or surah wise. I take course wise, I mean Understand Al Quran Academy courses, okay, which are there on understandquran.com or on youtube.com/user/understandquran, or in the app called With the Quran. So now I selected course 1, and in that I can select lessons, let's say lesson number 3 to lesson number 7, okay, and then I say save. Then only words from those lessons will be shown. By the way, I can also play a quiz, okay, of these words. So if I touch on play quiz, I would say I can see that what is the meaning of Maliki Yawmiddin. So let me take a wrong answer. It says oops, incorrect. Again wrong answer, oops. So it will keep and it will not move until I answer the right answer within 20 seconds. So it will automatically change to next question. Iyyaka na'budu, you alone we worship. Yes, it's correct. And for every right answer I get 10 points, as are shown here. Okay, and if I exit the quiz, I can see the number of points that I have earned so far by playing different quizzes. Now that is about settings of the widget. I Let us talk about now displaying this widget on the home screen. So I make sure that I have an empty area on the home screen by cleaning other icons, and then touch the empty area for a while, and then in Android this will automatically shrink. And in case of Apple, if I touch it, then all icons will start shaking. I mean, if I touch it for a while, and then on the top left you have a plus sign, touch that, and then uh, you will get the widget list. So here are the, I would say, widgets. So I touch that icon and I can just go down and go to Quran phrases and touch this one blue box, and then slide them this and leave it on the empty space, and I can scale it and then leave it. And next time I just touch it and I will go to those settings again. Okay, so this is how you do it, and make sure it is on your home screen. so that it reminds you to learn the Quran. It is reported that a person turns on the Quran on the phone, turns on the phone almost 100 times a day. So let us check this and play the quizzes at least, a couple of times during the day. And make sure to spread this one. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.